Mangathiwa kune-log ye-CAF la kunama 18 teams. So i-Orlando Pirates ingafana ne-Orbit College ye-CAF. So Orlando Pirates ifana ukuthi i-Orbit ye-CAF. Masiya kwi-CAF e-Africa, Orlando Pirates ifana ukuthi i-Orbit. Ngiyakutshela. Then i-Chiefs unumber 38. So i-Kaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi yona ingadlala kwi-ABC Motsepe makuthiwa kunama league e-CAF. Ngoba unumber 38 phela mawuthi 18 teams adlala kwi-Betway uthi 18 teams la kudlala khona ilokho nje i-Pirates i-Motsepe Championship ihlathi. Then bese umunye ke futhi 18 o-ABC Motsepe eGauteng la ngadlala khona i-Kaizer Chiefs. Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele aka uDonto Nkabi. So nangenjalo bafethu niyazi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba noSibude Libuda. Sibude khamba kanjani?
Shop kunjani?
Ugrand.
Nandi maswe.
So bafethu namhlanje i-topic yale video ukuthi sizosho la top 10 CAF teams, ama top 10 African teams according to ama rankings ka CAF. So bafethu, before we get into the video, please don't forget to follow us on YouTube at Starting11XI. So bafethu, sizoshaya top 10 officially release we CAF. Nanokuthi sichaze ukuthi kuzufike lapha ku top 10 kusekwenzakalani, nanokuthi sichecke ama big 3 teams ukuthi ame kanjani lapha ku CAF. So Sibuda, number 1 Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns yona ke balida bafethu, so which is a good thing because it team yala in South Africa. Then number 2 Al Ahly. So bafethu, finally someone has dethroned abantu base-North, yabo.
Yeah.
Even though I feel like Mamelodi Sundowns is fighting alone lento ye-CAF dominance by North Africans. So number 3 is Tunis. Yeah, Tunis le phuma kuma semi-final ekhishwa Mamelodi Sundowns go 1 away, 1-0 away, 1-0 home. Number 4 RS Berkane.
Yeah.
Which is a really good side now, RS Berkane. Then number 5 USM Alger. Le wine i-CAF Confederations.
Yeah.
Le nithi i-CAF Light.
Morocco.
Yes. Yase Morocco, yase Tunisia.
Yase Tunisia.
Yeah, yase Tunisia. Yes. Then number 6 kube iZamalek. Sekhumbula bafethu iZamalek yagila umhlola kwi-Kaizer Chiefs lapha kwi-last game sekumele qualify. Chiefs number 1, iZamalek number 3. But kwagcina qualify iZamalek. Kuthi kanjani angazi. Rojolani team
yangakithi S fak leyo group
okunalama team lawa singaziyo.
Oh
yeah. Then bese kuba number 7 iPyramids lesi coachwa ucoach Rulani manje. Pyramid, remember bafethu yashaya iMamelodi Sundowns kabuhlungu kabi kwi-final kuloya nyaka uFisto Mayela efikile engaqalanga ke kwiMamelodi Sundowns, waqala kwi-Pirates kulokho nje kwi-semi-final knock her out. Then bese kuba number 8 i-AS FAR Rabat le yase Morocco le idliwe kwi-final idliwe iMamelodi Sundowns. Then number 9 Al Hilal. Then number 10 is-CR Belouizdad. I think naye yase Algeria because lo coach lo be coach iTS Galaxy waxabana noRulani lo yamlungu lo ya. Yeah. So bafethu iyona ke top 10 le ye-CAF. So la South Africa sinama team awu-3 amakhulu, which is Orlando Pirates, which is Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs. So i-Kaizer Chiefs i-Orlando Pirates number 19.
Yeah.
Kule CAF le.
Okay.
List. So mangathiwa kune-log ye-CAF la kunama 18 teams. So i-Orlando Pirates ingafana ne-Orbit College ye-CAF. So Orlando Pirates ifana ukuthi i-Orbit ye-CAF. Masiya kwi-CAF e-Africa, Orlando Pirates kufanele ukuthi i-orbit. Ngiyakutshela. Then i-Chiefs unumber 38. So i-Kaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi yona ingadlala kwi-ABC Motsepe makuthiwa kunama league eCAF. Ngoba unumber 38 phela mawuthi 18 teams adlala ku-Betway uthi 18 teams la kudlala khona ilokho nje i-Pirates i-Motsepe Championship ihlathi. Then bese umunye ke futhi u18 o-ABC Motsepe eGauteng la ngadlala khona i-Kaizer Chiefs. So bafethu iwona ama rankings eCAF bafethu niyazi ukuthi iCAF iyasetshenzela. iCAF ayingokuthi wena unama fans anganani noma uthandwa kanganani noma udume kanganani kumele umsebenzi wenze grounding. Yeah, so iCAF injalo nje bafethu. So and enye into ngoba kuzodlala ama preliminary rounds. So amanye ama team bawanikile i-buyout kwi first preliminary round. Amanye kumele wadlale, yabo. So manje if you are not a big team ku CAF uzodlala wonke ama preliminary rounds, yabo. And this comes to say ukuthi bafethu ama preliminary rounds awayona iCAF Champions League. Awayona iCAF Champions League. Kuma preliminary rounds ungakora amagoli awu10 as a striker, for example as uMbuthuma ungakora awu10. Mase kuphela umdlalo, mase kuphela ilokho nje. Mase kuphela ilokho nje umuntu eqhubula iCAF lese mhlawumbe isa ilokho Orlando Pirates knock out. Umuntu ezobe top goal scorer ngeke azabala lamagoli aMbuthuma.
Lawa preliminary.
Ngeke azabala.
Sithi amagoli aqala kwi group stages.
Yes.
Yeah, kwi final.
Yes. Even ama points eCAF Champions League ne Confederations Cup aqala kuma group stages. So it's the same thing as isho abafethu ukuthi iCAF Champions League iqala kuma group stages.
So mangi right mangithi umbhuduzelo.
Umbhuduzelo vele because ngizoyenza ufuna ukuqualify niyabhuduzela, yabo. So iPirates last year ayidlalanga iCAF Champions League.
Yadlala i-first leg ye-preliminary round.
Yes, yadlala ama-preliminary rounds. So ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi umuntu odlalela ama-PSL promotion playoffs bese dlala for example namaZulu bese uzothi mina bengidlala iBetway. Akuyona iBetway usadlalela ukuqualify ukudlalela kwiBetway.
Mase uqualifyile usungenile unumber 20 usuka le kuMotsepe Foundation. Kuma playoffs ushaya amagoli awu100. Wangena wawina wahlala kunumber 20. Ingakaqali isizini yonke into izoba reset 2-0. Awuna game awuna goal yonke into u0.
Naku CAF ke kukanjalo nakhona. Ama preliminary rounds noma ungakora amagoli awu100 ngeke uzobe top goal scorer. Because i-tournament isuke ingakaqali, yabo. So fana na kwi-Champions League, UEFA Champions League, bayabiza ngama-qualifiers bona. Bayaqacisa ukuthi ama-ULC qualifiers. Lawa azodlala uMfukeng. Umfukeng akayidlali i-Champions League.
Yeah, lapho kumafukwana nje sesekuyena siqala siyibonge insizwa lapha ya. Yenza into enhle lapha kwi-team yakhe Mohammed odlala naye kwi-Union. Wakhetshengwa zigebengu uMfukeng waqopha ivideo eyasiza amaphoyisa ukuthi kutholakale la zigebengu.
Smart.
Zabanjwa, zaboshwa, zabuya lezi zinto lezi ezazijotshwe lezi zigebengu. So uMfukeng wakhanda ukunganike nalomdlalo lo. Mohammed okube into enhle. Ekuphinde kwamfica ke in terms of UEFA. Yabona ama preliminary rounds first round. Nale amficile udlala kuona. Nimbheke namhlanje ngo8. Udla and le team adlala nayo against yona. Number 1. Limit. Number 1 kwini
Ngiyayibona.
Ayibhedi leyo team. Angisho ukuthi izowina nani.
Angiyazi.
Preliminary round leyo umbhuduzelo ngoba i-first round.
Qualifiers.
Kusho ukuthi lokho kwenzeka kuphela SSX Pirates nale kusenzeka
yes
yabo mabewina ke bazodlulela kwi-second round preliminary rounds of UEFA Champions League qualifier yeah
so manje bafethu i-team yakho awukwazi ukuthi i-team yakho inkulu kuneSundowns kodwa mase kuyiwa ku-CAF beyiqalise kumbhuduzelo
i-buyout ayinayo
ayinayo i-buyout kodwa uthi inkulu kahle asingakhuluma ngathi manje izinto zakudala manje ungena ku-internet ubone ukuthi ubani number 1 based on what ama-points ene kanjani yabo so manje umkhulu ngani ngomzimba
futhi nalabo ama-video ngike ngiwabona kuthiwa hey laba otetemani Sundowns itetemani azihlala isigame iyodlala ama-friendly games na if iyadlala i-pre-season matches uyaqualify ukuzodlala ilokhujana igame ye-league ayibo awukwazi ukukhuluma kanjalo kumuntu ophethe i-champion ye-continent kuma-team
show some respect
yeah you have to mayethi lo muntu angeke bashonele umdlali labantu alokhu uzwele kwamanye ama-fans amanye ama-team ukuthi bekumele ba-address leso simo okuyisimo yabona esinzima kakhulu leso kufanele esahlonishwa abadlali abakhulu nge-World Cup kuma imidlalo kurespectwa umdlalo weSundowns oshonile so uma ngabe iSundowns ithi siyiqhubeka nohlelo lokuthi
honorish
ukuthi hayi no thina besabambekile asikwazanga ukudlala lama games e-pre-season on time ngoba beshoniwe fanele ngawonke umuntu uye-understand leyo futhi labantu laba bangama champions if they say PSL thina sisafuna ukuya kwi-pre-season asiyanga thina kwi-pre-season yethu siphazamisekile yisimo esingeke sikwazi ukuthi sisigweme bahamba abathatha isikhathi abasithatha bazobuya bazodla abanye bajaha induku ukuzoshaya eMsundowns ngeke umuntu ngawe yajabula abanye ama-fans aneqiniso ajabula ukuthi iSundowns le ngobani athi kanti kumnandi kanje ukudlala ku-number 1 ama-fans ngoba ayazi ukuthi makubuka iSundowns la induku iyasha so baya-enjoy abanye ukuthi isadlala lama-games izobuya iSundowns yoba niyijahile ngizoke ngibone laba abayijahile ukuthi bazoyenza njengoba isizini isaqala akekho umuntu khona ama-player bengadlali kwi-World Cup awanawo amajaqamba injury nanama-fatigue 100% fit ukubhekana nama-games uzobona ukuthi induku izokha hayi ngoba siyithanda it's a fact ijaheni izabuya
ayikho number 1 ngenxa yokuvotwa lapha kwi-Africa awuvoti lapha
akugcwalisa stadium kwi-CAF kungeza umuntu oyedwa noma kuze isigubhu se-Coca-Cola sihlale lapho kube yisi sihlwele zikhale make yawina lapho ama-rating ayanyuka so ayikho i-rating kwi-preliminary round i-rating iqala kuma-group stages kwi-Champions League kuwo wonke ama-Champions League emhlabeni i-preliminary round nje kuseyipreparisha ukungena
ama-promotion playoffs yabona kumele kuze ama-team from iMotsepe from iHlathi azodlala nalawa adlala ama-playoffs same thing
yabona kwi-UEFA indaba ingekho i-PSG abadlali Madrid Barcelona abebhuduzelweni
omalumo ama-Krotman
yabona
alomdlalo
badlala izinto zamampela ukubhuduzela kunabantu babo
yabona
akubhuduzela
so manje nje uthini yakhe inkulu ekubeni idlala umbhuduzelo lapha oshaya i-team esingayazi ojoyinanga omukoko hayi bese uthi i-team inkulu yabona bafethu i-football is moving away from lento leyo ukuthi hey thina sibakhulu ngokuthi sinama-fans football is moving away from that
sijahe thina ukubuka i-Super Cup
thina sifuna ukubona i-product i-display ukuthi okay
yabona
niyadlala
umuntu akaye kwi-pre-season yakhe ayidlale phela i-Super Cup ayidlalwa noma ngawubani
yabona kumanje iMamelodi Sundowns izodlalela ama-trophy awu-9
yabona angadlalwa noma ngawubani
umhlaba wonke
Intercontinental Challenge
Asian Cup into engazi ifike la South Africa China Sundowns ukuthi ifike ne-trophy engazi ifike la South Africa
yabona
and enye into kuselama sports awu2 ku-FIFA World Cup Club World Cup la eAfrica so lesi iPirates if ayiwin iChampions League this year next year alizobuya izoyithatha iChampions League next year
bese ingena kwisports
yes so iPirates have this year because ngama ratings ngeke zilungise unumber futhi akaza kwenzeka ukuthi i-team number 19 iwin league noma iwin Champions League akaza
iwin Champions League
yes ne-team nje ewu19 iyowin league la idlala khona ibu 19 last year yabuye this year izowin league
number 1
hayi akaze kwenzeka
umlingo phela
akaze kwenzeka
mangabe kodwa phela sithenga istrike esinohlonze
hayi izwale mfana
sizokwazi ukuthi sihlale nawo
oba no Eric Halal
umzala kabani bani junior asazi
I know mfethu uthando lonye danke siyabonga